Our temperature anomaly map behind me showing a tale of two worlds across the country into this weekend, with above average temperatures expected in this shade of red over the northeast and below average temperatures in the shade of blue. So here's your weekend forecast. We currently still have this dominating high pressure system acting as a heat cap over the northern and eastern regions of South Africa, responsible for the above average temperatures, and the Weather Service advising against heatwave conditions that will continue up until at least next week Monday over northwest parts of the Free State, Gauteng, Limpopo, Mpumalanga and the northern regions of KwaZulu-Natal. In those places, temperatures will soar to the mid and upper 30s, with 36 degrees in Mahikeng, 35 for Pretoria as well as Mbombela, but still mild to cool over the coastal regions of the western as well as southern and Eastern Cape, with maximum temperatures in the lower to mid-20s. On Sunday, still the same conditions for the coastal regions with only 21 in George, but heatwave conditions will bake the northeast. It's going to get even hotter with a boiling hot 37 in Pretoria as well as Mbombela and 36 for Mahikeng and Polokwane. Then into Sunday as well as next week Monday, behind a cold front, we've got this high pressure system that is actually going to bring in a blast of icy cold air for the southern and western regions of South Africa. It's going to be significantly colder on Monday, with maximum temperatures only in the mid-teens for the Western Cape, the Karoo, as well as parts of the southern and the Eastern Cape, peaking at only 15 in George and 13 degrees in Sutherland. But still extremely hot during heatwave conditions in the northeast, with a boiling hot 37 degrees in Pretoria. If we have a look at what you can expect rain-wise across the country on Saturday, only a few heat-induced thunderstorms likely on Saturday here over northwest the Free State, as well as the high veld of Mpumalanga, and a slim chance of some fog and drizzle falling very early over the southern coastline. The probability of showers and thunderstorms much better on Sunday, especially for parts of the Free State. Later, the stormy conditions moving into the Eastern Cape and parts of KwaZulu-Natal, becoming isolated here over the rest of KwaZulu-Natal and moving into the high velds of Mpumalanga. And then as that cold front moves south of South Africa, we've got that reaching high that's going to bring in a few showers much later for the coast of the Western Cape, with more showers on Monday and this onshore flow of cold air bringing in scattered showers for the southern coastline as well as the coast of the Eastern Cape. Later showers and thunderstorms also expected to move over KwaZulu-Natal, showers on and off in the Western Cape, and a few isolated thunderstorms likely to extend over northwest and the Free State, and freezing levels even dropping low enough for a light dusting of snow to fall over the mountain regions on Monday. Keep in mind the forecast is still a few days away and it could change. Looking at the wind forecast, we're expecting strong northeasterly winds over the northern coast of KwaZulu-Natal on Saturday, and also a fresh to strong westerly wind blowing in parts of the Northern Cape and the Karoo, where the South African Weather Service is warning against runaway fires. It is a windy Sunday for the central and western interior of South Africa, gusting winds at times, and behind that cold front, a strong westerly wind expected to blow over the Overstrand. And then into Monday, we can see this onshore flow of fresh to strong winds expected to spread along the coast of South Africa, bringing in much colder conditions and scattered showers for those regions. It's going to be a windy Monday for large parts of South Africa, windy conditions spreading as far east as northwest Gauteng and the Free State, and a strong southerly wind blowing along the coast of the Northern Cape and our neighbouring country. Well, that's all from me. Have a lovely weekend.